Are you tired of spending endless hours editing your podcast only to end up with audio that's just okay? What if I told you that with a few insider secrets, you could elevate your audio to professional studio quality and save time in the process? Today, we're diving deep into the art of audio editing to share some game-changing techniques. And stick around because I'm going to show you how one platform can make implementing these secrets as easy as pressing record. Let's get started. Secret number 1 is removing background noise. Have you ever recorded the perfect take only to realize there's a low hum of an air conditioner throughout? Annoying, right? Here's a secret. The key to removing background noise starts before you hit record. Capture 10 to 15 seconds of silence before your session. This is your noise profile. Then you can use noise reduction tools in your audio editing software to remove these frequencies from your entire recording. But it's important to remember that noise reduction is like salt. A little enhances the flavor, but too much can ruin the dish. Apply it sparingly to avoid that underwater sound effect. Secret number 2 is mastering the art of silence. Silence in audio isn't just the absence of sound, it's a powerful storytelling tool. But here's the twist. It's not about cutting out all pauses. Instead, use it to punctuate ideas, create tension, or give your audience a moment to reflect. The secret? Listen back to your recording and find moments where a brief pause naturally enhances the message. It's about crafting a rhythm that keeps your listeners engaged, not just filling every second with sound. Secret number 3 is to normalize audio levels. If you're struggling with audio levels that jump all over the place, here's a pro tip. Normalization doesn't mean making everything the same volume. It's about finding the right balance where your quietest moments are audible and your loudest don't cause listener fatigue. After leveling your tracks, use a limiter to gently tame those peaks. This ensures that your audience is comfortable for headphone users without sacrificing dynamic range. Secret number 4 is the future is now with AI audio editing. AI in audio editing is like having a crystal ball. It can predict and fix issues before you even notice them. But here's something that you may not have thought about. AI can also help maintain your podcast's unique voice. If you're worried about losing those little imperfections that make your podcast yours, modern AI tools are smart enough to clean up your audio while preserving the character of your voice. It's about enhancing your sound, not changing it. Embrace AI as a tool that works for you, not against you. Secret number 5 comes down to recording techniques and equipment. So great audio starts with a great recording techniques. But here's the secret that may surprise you. A more expensive microphone doesn't automatically mean better sound. What matters more is how you use it. The ATR 2100X is a fantastic choice for its affordability, versatility, and quality, but even the best mic can't fix bad technique. Keep the mic at a consistent distance, minimize plosives with a pop filter, and record in a softly furnished room to avoid echoes. It's about optimizing your environment and technique to get the most out of your gear. Now, how do we bring all of these secrets together with minimal fuss? That's where Riverside comes in. Imagine a platform that not only helps you record in studio quality from anywhere, but also simplifies implementing these editing secrets. Let's take a closer look at how Riverside can transform your podcasting workflow, making it easier than ever to produce content that sounds like it was recorded in a top-tier studio. Before you head into the studio, you can attach your high-quality USB microphone to your computer and select it here from the drop-down menu to ensure high audio quality. When you're in the studio, you can monitor both you and your guests' audio levels. Try to keep this within the yellow and the green zone to ensure good audio quality. When you're done recording, Riverside's set pace feature will use AI to take out as much or as little silence as you want from your recording. If you happen to use a poor quality mic, Magic Audio is going to enhance your audio to studio quality with the help of AI. Before you export, you can remove background noise from your podcast and normalize the audio levels of all speakers, ensuring a smooth sounding episode from start to finish. And there you have it, 5 audio editing secrets that can dramatically improve your podcast sound quality and save you countless hours of post-production. What audio editing secrets do you know? Let me know in the comments so I can share them with the community. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for tons more content on interviews, podcasts, video creation, and more. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Bridget, and I'll see you next time.